There's like fireworks going on, even though it's literally not the 4th of July yet. It's July 3rd, okay? I forgot to film a get ready with me for Miwa, so I made a get out of cosplay. And it's like a minute long, so I hope you guys enjoy it anyway, because I need to get some content out. And here's the TikToks I got in Miwa. The audio will get me copyrighted, so I'll sing it for you. I can run faster with no wind resistance. Was that good? Yeah. Enjoy. Watch me whip. Watch me nene. Hey gamers. So let's get out of cosplay, because that's what this video is. No way. I hate myself. I get a lot of questions of where I keep my wigs, and I literally just keep them in the bag they come in. Okay, now time for the lashes to go off. And by the way, no, it doesn't hurt to take them off. I'm gonna take off this stupid suit. Oh, this part's kind of satisfying. Wait. Ready? Okay. Why is this so uneven? Okay, there, I fixed it. Okay, I have to take my contacts out. I forgot to record. We're taking these out. So I got a headband, and I washed my hands. Here we go. So